Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss important international organizations and their headquarters. First one is International Organization Headquarters, United Nations Organization. So the headquarters of United Nations Organization is in New York. Next is United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, that is UNICEF. The headquarters of UNICEF is in New York. Next is UNFPA, that is United Nations Population Fund in New York. Commonwealth of Nations, London. World Bank, Washington DC. World Health Organization, Geneva. WHO is in Geneva. International Labour Organization, that is ILO, is in Geneva. International Committee of the Red Cross is in Geneva. World Trade Organization is in Geneva. World Meteorological Organization is in Geneva. World Intellectual Property Organization also in Geneva. So you have seen there are so many headquarters are in Geneva. International Organization for Standardization is in Geneva. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is headquarters of UNESCO, in Paris. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, Paris. United Nations Industrial Development of Organization, Vienna, Austria. International Atomic Energy Agency, Vienna. Next is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, Vienna. Next is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, Brussels, Belgium. Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, Singapore. Transparency International, Berlin. International Renewable Energy Agency, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Next is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, Kathmandu, Nepal. Next is Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Jeddah. Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation, Aben, Mauritius. Worldwide Fund for Nature, Gland, Switzerland. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, Zurich, Switzerland. Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, The Hague, the Netherlands. International Olympic Committee, Lausanne, Switzerland. World Economic Forum, Geneva, Switzerland. International Maritime Organization, London. UN Women, New York. International Monetary Fund, UN Women is in New York. International Monetary Fund is in Washington DC. Amnesty International, London. Food and Agriculture Organization, Rome. International Union for Conservation of Nature, Gland, Switzerland. International Council on Monuments and Sites, Paris, France. Universal Postal Union, Bern. Association of Southeast Asian Nations, that is ASEAN, Jakarta. So that's all for today. This video is very important for all the exams. So stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.